I know McKinley, right? No, I didn't do it. Hello, hello. Welcome back to my live. If you guys haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to go ahead and turn this light off in the back so y'all can see. Yeah, that's a whole lot better. It's giving you that midnight special. You go, girl. Thank you, thank you. Okay, I'm trying to get people to come on TikTok. Hi, Miss Yvonne Ward. I'm going to use two different eyeshadow palettes, By Me Rose and Malibu Sunrise. So I'm going to use my brush. I'm going to use the color A Dozen Roses. And I'm going to apply it towards the outer corner of my eye. Oops, I need to move back. I'm just going to do that. And I'm going to wing it out. And I'm going to go in with my little small eyeshadow palette, Ruby Kisses Malibu Sunrise. I'm going to use the color like a yellow gold color. And I'm going to place that like towards the middle. Okay. And I'm going to use my Rose, By Me Rose eyeshadow palette again. I'm going to use the color, it's called Pitter Pat. It's like a lighter pink, soft pink. I'm going to apply that in the inner corner of my eye. If you guys are just coming on, please tap on that screen and like my live. Thank you. Is it Khaled? Thank you. Thank you, Miss Yvonne. Alright, and then I'm going to use a lip liner as my eyeliner. I'm going to draw it out softly. Then I'm going to use the Kiss, well that was Kiss 2. This is their liner, the color liner. This is in the color yellow. So I'm just going to go here, just going across. And I'm going to go back and fix it with the concealer. Alright, and then I'm going to show you guys the lashes I am wearing. You look hot already. Thank you, OG Ray Plus. Thank you. Just to have fun. We're going to use the Josephine lashes by I Envy. This is the name. They have a name on the back. And this is VIP01, the Emerald Mink. These are the lashes. And then my lash glue, which is one of my favorites. This is it, the 3D adhesive. It's in the color clear. And it costs like $3.99. So you can go to your local beauty supply store or you can order from their site. ivyusa.com. Well, thank you, OG. I appreciate you. But I'm just doing for fun. Then we're going to go ahead and attach these lashes. I'm going to press down. Alright, then we're going to go back in and apply some concealer on both sides. And I'm using the tan color number 03 underneath the Cool Cafe 2-in-1 concealer. And I'm applying under here. Alright, so I'm going to use my e.l.f. spray and spray on my brush. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to go back on this side. Just showing you guys how I blend out the concealer. So I use purple and yellow. And I'm going to spray once again. Alright, you guys, we have that finished. I'm just going to put one there. The blush, this is the Pearl 1. If you're interested in knowing which blush I'm using, this is the Pearl 103. This is on I Envy website as well. They have different colors, different varieties. So I didn't do too much. I usually put 3 on each side, but I just did 1 just to show you don't have to put a lot. And also I'm going to use, I think I'm going to add a little purple at the bottom too. just a little bit. And I'm going to use this yellow in the Malibu Sunrise, and I'm just going to apply it underneath here. So that's it. What do you guys think of the makeup look? Just add a little bit of purple and yellow. Thank you, Miss Yvonne, for liking my live. Up to 2,000 likes. Thank you. Alright, guys. I want to say I'm still going to be on YouTube. TikTok, thank you guys so much for joining my live. This is the final look. I'm going to come up closer. And these are the lashes, Josephine, Emerald Mink. If you're interested, you can go on to iEnvy website. It's the VIP01. And also, I use the lip liner for the purple look, but I use it as a liner. And also, I use the yellow color liner from iEnvy as well. They have green, teal. They have different variety of colors. I also used the Ruby Malibu Sunrise little eyeshadow palette. I used the gold. And you guys know I used the Nude Me eyeshadow palette for my brows, the color dark brown. Also, I used the Buy Me Rose eyeshadow palette. And I use like a warm reddish brown color. And that's it. That was it for today's tutorial. And I know I used this blush here. And that was it. And my favorite 3D lash glue. So I made it simple but also fun. So I love the color purple and yellow together. Add a little reddish brown and yellow, and then I use like a soft pink in the inner corner of my eyes. So I really love this look. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. You can direct message me if you want me to do a makeup look. You can send a picture. And yes, so thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like my lives more. Everybody, you guys are on here. We need to get up to 10,000 followers. That is the goal. So but for now we need to get up to 2,000 subscribers. Tap on that screen for me. Also share my live. Also follow me on my YouTube channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. Follow me on my Instagram, Modest Transformation by Celeste as well. And I also have a personal Instagram, sexyriri_93. You guys can find all those links to my social media in my bio. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I will definitely see you guys later. And yeah, I see you. Bye.